Hey foodies! Welcome back to the Foodie Channel, home for food enthusiasts from around the world. By the way, if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Do you know the best instruments for measuring and judging the real value of wine? They're your nose, tongue, eyes, and brain. The best judgment comes from your own measuring instruments and how well you use them in assessing the value and quality of wine. Everyone has a different taste palette, but certain things can determine whether the wine in your glass is truly of premium quality and value, or if it falls short. Let's take a look at how you can best ascertain this. The first whiff you take of a glass of wine is the first instrument of judgment. Before you sip the contents of your wine glass, take a long and deep sniff. How does the wine smell to you? Do you detect floral or fruity notes? Does it smell pungent or leave you feeling as if something just hit your nostrils? Or do you just love whiffing it again and again? If you love how the wine smells and you can detect floral or fruity notes, then your wine has passed with flying colors in your sniffing test. Do you know what balance means for a wine? That it does not let the fruit, alcohol, tannin, and acidity components stand out starkly. When you taste wine, the level of balance you find in each sip will tell you if it is of high value and quality. It is quite common for wine experts to comment on how balanced a particular variety is, but have you ever wondered what that means? It means that every sip you take of that wine gives you a well-rounded taste, so that nothing stands out differently or too overpoweringly on your taste buds. If you end up feeling that you didn't like a wine you just had, and you don't even know why, then that one for sure is not of high value and quality. Now that you've actually smelt and tasted the wine, it's time to look deeply at the liquid. To discover its depth, you can combine looking at the wine deeply and tasting it alternately to judge its value and quality. First, look at what you can see swirling in your wine. Then stir and sip it. Swirl it again on your tongue and try to detect the flavor layers beyond the obvious fruit. Can you taste a touch of grapefruit or nuts? Does your red wine leave hints of coffee or chocolate on the tip of your tongue? If it does, you're drinking a multifaceted wine, and these contain multiple flavor layers together. These are generally of high value, and if they tend to change in aromas and flavors as your meal progresses, it means it has a great depth and is a good wine. The final measurement of the quality and value of wine is to note how long it lingers on your palate, even after you have swallowed the liquid. The longer you can feel the taste of the wine on your tongue, the higher the quality and value. If you find the flavor disappearing soon after you've swallowed it, the quality is certainly not good at all. The highest quality and highest value wine is the one that lingers on your palate even 10 seconds after you have swallowed it. Consider such a wine discovery a jackpot. Hey foodies! Keep up to date on our blog and video posts to learn more about who we are and what we want to share with you. Our group will introduce even more in the coming future, so keep an eye and an ear out for more content. Lastly, if you're someone who has come here looking for a community of food lovers, you found us. Welcome to the Foodie Channel, as you're officially a part of us now.